Hey everyone, Steve from the Dent Shop here in Long Island. So today we got a 2026 Acura TL. Nasty dent on the fender. Let's take a look. So, customer doesn't know what happened, but it looks like someone fell into this fender. I mean, this thing is all the way down here. You can see the line. It's closed in on the side, on the top. Body shops wanted to change the fender, which would be the right repair if you go to a body shop. But he didn't want to replace the fender. It's a 2026. He wanted to keep it all original. So the paint is busted here a little bit. He's gonna touch that up. Thankfully, it's right on the edge, so it would not show too much. All right, let's get working on this. So, guys, I just want to touch on something really quickly. If you go to a body shop and a body shop say to you that they need to replace the fender, that is the right repair, replacing the fender. If you go to a PDR shop and they say that they're going to fix it, a body shop and a PDR shop is two different shops. Replacing the fender in a body shop will be the right job. A body shop don't necessarily do paintless dent repair to this extent. So my point is, if you go to a body shop and they say that they're gonna replace the fender, they're not ripping you off. It is a body shop you went to. So this is what is left after some lateral tension and some pushing. I mean, you can see most of that heavy stuff is gone. Here it is, this fender is all done. Came out really, really good. See, the space is back where it's supposed to be, nice and even, on the top, on the side. Good to go.